to 0. That is the security vulnerability score between the AI agent most developers trust and the one that launched 8 weeks ago. OpenClaw has 345,000 GitHub stars, a 5-year head start, and 138 published CVEs. Hermes Agent has 114,000 stars, 57 days of history, and 0. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you what is actually happening in the autonomous agent market, why the incumbent is bleeding, why the insurgent is winning, and which one you should actually be running tonight. And at the end, I will tell you the one situation where OpenClaw is still the right answer, even with 138 vulnerabilities. OpenClaw is the incumbent, the proven business template. Solo developers like Felix are running it to generate $300,000 a month in recurring revenue. Its marketplace, ClawMart, lists thousands of pre-built skills. It supports 23 messaging integrations out of the box. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, Signal, iMessage, every channel you can think of. For 18 months, if you wanted to build an autonomous agent business, the answer was simple. Fork OpenClaw, plug it into ClawMart, start billing. But then the security reports started landing, and the numbers are ugly. 138 common vulnerabilities and exposures tracked against OpenClaw in just 5 months of 2026, 7 of them rated critical, 49 of them high severity. April alone shipped 13 new patches, the largest single security disclosure in the project's history. But here is the part that should keep you up at night. 135,000 OpenClaw instances are sitting on the open internet right now. 63% of them have no authentication. Your AI agent, reading your inbox, writing your code, accessing your payment methods, is publicly reachable with no password. And ClawMart itself is compromised. Security researchers at Stanford flagged over 800 skills on the marketplace as actively malicious. The supply chain your agent depends on has been poisoned, which is exactly why Hermes is growing the way it is. Nous Research, the same lab behind the Hermes large language model, dropped Hermes Agent on February 25th. 57 days later, it passed on 14,000 GitHub stars, 623 contributors, 56044 commits, 0 published CVEs. The fastest agent framework growth curve ever recorded, steeper than LangChain and AutoGen combined. Version 0.11 shipped yesterday. Here is the architecture decision that is winning. Hermes runs inside a hardened container with a read-only file system, dropped Linux capabilities, and a built-in prompt injection scanner. But the killer feature is the learning loop. After every task, Hermes writes its own markdown skill file. Scrape a pricing page once, it saves a reusable skill. Send an invoice once, it saves a reusable skill. Run it overnight on your backlog, and by morning you have the work done, plus a library of skills that match exactly how you work. MIT license. Ship it inside a paid product tomorrow. Remember the one situation I teased at the start? Here it is. If you are a solo builder trying to copy Felix and clear 300,000 a month, OpenClaw is still the correct answer. The marketplace is real, the revenue template works, and the cash flow is proven. But lock it down. Put it behind a VPN. Audit every ClawMart skill before you install it. If you are an individual developer who wants an agent that gets smarter every week without retraining, it is Hermes. Every time. If you are an enterprise evaluating neither is ready. Wait for Q3 2026 or pay $200 a month for cloud managed agents instead. My honest take. OpenClaw won round 1 by building the business model. Hermes is winning round 2 by building the architecture. In 90 days, if Hermes ships a payment layer and a skill marketplace, the star curve inverts entirely. So which side are you on? Incumbent or insurgent? Drop the word IN or OUT in the comments. I read every reply. If you want more breakdowns on the AI agent war as it happens, subscribe and turn on the bell. See you in the next one.